Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net, and I've got my good friend Yvan LaCroix in the shop today. And Yvan is going to talk to us about the new DIY rotary polisher.
Thanks, Ron. So yes, the new DIY rotary polisher. I'm known in the industry a little bit for being backwards. I finished with a rotary, so we designed it to work with that. But you could also cut with it if you want to.
Okay.
First of all, we'll start, where we plug it in. We have a 30-foot rubber cord, and it is very nice and rubbery.
Yep.
It's not a stiff cord. It doesn't fold on you.
Yeah, I was watching when you're rolling it up how nice and flexible it is.
Yeah, exactly. And has a nice little Velcro piece on it for when you are rolling it up, you can keep your cord together.
All right.
Going into the machine, we have a nice rubber-faced handle at the back and at the front, making it easier to hold onto. The switch, nice large switch, so it's not digging into your fingers, and it's also rubber-faced, so nice and comfortable. And the trigger lock. So the trigger lock is easy to get to. I don't even need to use another finger on it. Just by flexing my hand a little bit, I can lock the trigger in. So it sticks out, yes, but it's there for a reason. We want you to use the trigger lock, and whether you're left-handed or right-handed, it works just as well. The other thing, in terms of maintenance, one of the biggest maintenance items on a polisher is always the brushes.
Sure. So
we have the brushes that are easy to get to, screw on either side, pull this off, your brushes are there.
Okay.
The going forward.
Oh, then we have our speed control here.
Yeah, speed control, 600 to 2,500 RPM.
All right.
So low enough to jewel your paint, high enough to clean your pad.
Yeah, because we all know you like slow.
Slower the better.
All right.
Yeah. From there, you'll notice this is a little long here. So we have a double gear reduction in it. So instead of just the armature going in and hitting one gear and spinning it, we have a double gear reduction. And unlike some tools on the market that are very high, I want to keep as low a profile as possible so you have better balance.
Sure.
So by putting the gears in line instead of either underneath or another system, this keeps it nice and easy and very low. Keeps the machine low to the ground or low to the paint.
Sure.
It's a 25-to-1 gear reduction, meaning that we can eliminate having the button on here. So there's no button to hold the gearing in place when you're removing the pad. The pad just comes off nice and easily.
That's pretty slick.
Goes on easily as well. Speaking of backing plate, 5- and 6-inch backing plates are included. But if you want to, you can go down to a 1-inch or all the way up to a 9-inch and anywhere in between. AutoForge just happens to sell extensions and backing plates and all different sizes.
We've got it all.
Yeah, and while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Always important things to do. That way you get more videos with Ron.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that, nice lightweight machine, simple to hold on to, simple to use, comfortable. That's what I was going for with this. It is made in China, but it's engineered by us. So all the engineering in it is, to our specifications. The other thing, you mentioned I like going slow. Yes, I do. And some machines, some rotaries on the market, when you have them at the lowest speed, they overheat.
Sure.
We designed it. First of all, the 25-to-1 gear reduction means that the motor is turning a lot faster than other machines to get that slow speed here. So we have more airflow going through it.
Yeah, I had read some literature from you concerning how you were able to get this machine to run so slow and not overheat.
Right. The other thing is the fan itself, the way it's designed. It's a helical fan that we have a lot of airflow going out. And the airflow also comes out of these fins to help cool the gear case.
All right, very nice.
And speaking of the gear case, no, you won't have to add additional grease or change the grease. We actually have the proper amount of grease and good grease in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to have these on pre-order on AutoForge.net. We hope you found the video informative. As Yvan said, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Ron Atchison. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.